I'm Matt McWilliams. I'm the Global Technical Manager with Bridon USA. We're here today to speak a bit about large square baler adjustments, troubleshooting, and our latest and greatest Impax technology. With Impax technology, we're able to bale longer, make heavier bales, and improve the performance of your large square baler in the field. Let's talk a little bit about twine fingers. So every large square baler utilizes a set of twine fingers for each knotter to enable the twine fingers to bring both the upper and lower twines into the knotter during the tie cycle and lay those twines properly across the bill hook. The twine fingers rotate from 0 degrees on the top of the machine underneath the knotter to 90 degrees. And we want to set that orientation at 90 degrees in order for that twine finger to be able to bring both twines into the knotter during the tie cycle, both for the first and second knot. Let's talk a little bit about points of wear and things to check before the season in terms of your twine fingers. So first of all, you want to make sure your twine fingers themselves are rotating freely. If they're not rotating freely and they get seized up after storing the baler over winter, they can actually hang all of the twine fingers up, which doesn't allow you to tie knots during the tie cycle. So if you have one or more twine fingers hung up, it creates issues with the tying system right off the bat. And if this occurs, we want to take this twine finger apart, use a little penetrating oil, and get all of the twine fingers freed up so they're moving easily. So from there, another point of where to check is your connecting rod at the end of the twine finger that's connected to the end of the twine finger. That little slot can essentially get worn, and that wear creates more slack in the twine finger, which doesn't allow the twine finger to rotate fully to 0 degrees and fully to 90 degrees during the tie cycles. From there, if we follow the twine finger connecting rod back to the other end of the twine finger connecting rod, we have our clevis. And that's how we can adjust the 90-degree orientation to the chamber, which we'll cover in the next video. Our bracket that's connected to our twine finger actuating rod, and our pin that connects both the clevis to the bracket on the twine finger actuating rod. Each one of these 3 components can experience wear throughout many bales over many seasons. And if you see excessive wear there, you're having a difficulty pulling those pins out to make your adjustments, I would suggest replacing some of those parts so that everything is nice and tight for the baling season.